Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make fluffy slime. So the first thing you're going to need is Elmer's glue or any kind of white glue. Second thing you're going to need is shaving cream, any kind of your choice. I like to use the foam kind, which is better. And third, you're going to need food coloring of your choice. I just got this 4-pack, which is just the 4 regular colors: green, yellow, blue, and red. The fourth thing you're gonna need is any kind of solution. I'm using contact solution, but you can also use borax and water that I just put in this container. And so let's get on to the video. First, you're gonna want to add your Elmer's glue to your container, and you're also gonna need something to mix with. And I'm using a fork. And then you're gonna want to add your shaving foam. Sorry, I get this confused. And so you're just gonna pour it in there and then mix it all up. So now that's how it looks like. That's how it's supposed to look like. And then now you're just gonna wanna add your food coloring. I'm gonna add blue and green to get this kind of really cool color that's like a minty green kind of turquoise color. I don't know, it's a really cool color that you'll see right now. And that's the color. So now I'm going to add my solution. I'm actually going to use contact solution because that's just easier for me, but you can totally use the borax and water, which is that. I put it in a gel container that I just used. So now I'm just going to add a few drops at a time. I like to add 6 or 5 drops at a time, but I didn't add that much of my glue so that I don't need to add so much because I only made a little bit of it, but it's still a good amount. So as you can see, this is how it's forming up, and you're just gonna add a few drops at a time because you gotta take your time or else it's gonna come out all clumpy and you don't want that. But right there, that's how it's supposed to look. So if this is your first time, this is a good video for you. So as you can see, it's still sticky, so I still gotta put in more of that solution. So now that's how it turned out, and so I'm just gonna take it out and start kneading it. And so it was pretty sticky, so that wasn't the texture I wanted. So I'm just gonna grab a few more drops of my solution in there because when it gets too sticky and you don't like that texture, you add a few more drops and you gotta knead it with your hands until you get the consistency that you want. And so as you can see, I started kneading it. And so thanks for watching. Comment down below what you want us to do next. Subscribe, hit that like button. Bye guys, see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed.